Thank you for bearing with me through this course, and we have finally reached our last discussion topic where we will be again updating our base application, except this time applying our 3 EMA strategy. So this is a little bit of a bonus point where I wanted to show you that you can apply the same graphic except add in your new analytics. Update your plots to include something a little new. So we're going to go over a little bit of a different flavor with how we're plotting our close and looking at it in comparison to our 3 EMA lines. So we're going to actually look at creating your own candlestick graph. I know this is a very popular graph to look at so that you can quickly see that open, high, low, close metric for each of the data points that come across, and it can help really take the visualization to the next level when it comes to this EMA strategy. So we're actually going to review that in real time and show you what a graphic looks like for a potential day trading scheme. So again, we're going to update this base application with our EMA strategy. We're going to adjust our table slightly so that we're calling our EMA strategy versus having to reference the momentum strategy. We're going to update our plot and our graphics so that we can actually combine these all into one. And then from there, I would like the group to make sure before exiting that you understand what's going on, potentially try to make some improvements to it, add your own strategy to it, change the EMAs, look at making some configurations to the graphics, and then taking it and making it your own. All right, so with that, let's go ahead and jump into our last live example.